Hey guys, Ray again. A few weeks ago I made this Batman spinner and I have since sold it to a gentleman in Hong Kong, so it's shipping out today, and it makes me a little sad because I really like this one and I ended up enjoying it more than I thought. So on my desk I have this gear that has been sitting there for about 3 years, all lonely. It needed something to do, and I decided to turn this into a finger spinner. First, I've got to sandblast it. There we go, all nice and clean. Alright, now you may or may not be able to see that there's just a slight bevel. If you look at the other side, you'll notice there's no bevel on the other side. So this side is quite sharp, and then on this side you see that just an ever so slight bevel, and that just takes all the burr off, so now you can run your hand on it, no big deal.
Here tomorrow. Let's say on the second. We should say 20 amps. Yeah, just tell me what's exactly on your second.
Well, there you have it, the Real Gear spinner. A steel gear with a bronze sleeve and the bearing insert. So this is your standard 608 bearing. You can see it does a pretty good job. This weighs 194 grams. Yes, it's very heavy. When I first started making these spinners, I started with the Alpha spinner that you are probably familiar with. The Alpha spinner. Manufactured these for the Revolve Maker guys. I'll put a link to their site at the in the description of this video. I was thinking this is kind of a silly thing. Why would anybody want this or need this? Honestly, now that I've had the opportunity to play with a couple of them, and the more I messed with it, the more I got to enjoy it. It took a while though, it wasn't right away. You may recall my Batman spinner. This one, the one I showed you earlier, I sold. I had to ship that one out. But this one you can see has some pocketing in it. And I really like these Batman spinners. So this one is clearly unbalanced, but much better. Having worked on this one, it has given me some ideas. So you're going to see this Batman shape coming up very shortly in a balanced spinner. So keep an eye out for that. And of course, the Real Gear spinner. So far, this one is my favorite. I've got 3 more designs I'm planning on coming out with. And it's going to be very exciting. I don't know if I'm going to keep this one. I might stick it in my desk, or I might sell it. If you're interested, let me know. As always, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're curious about some of my other spinner videos, I'm going to put links to them in the description of this video, and you should see those popping up right around me. Thank you for watching.